Morning, everybody. It is Sunday the 31st, the last day of 2017. I figure I'd do an update and like a double cold start. It's about 4 degrees right now, and this is the first time this truck's ever been started that cold, and kind of, for me, it tells the tale what kind of motor you have, how well it starts in cold. The other truck I had, it'd start down in the negative 15, 20 degrees. It was a really good starting truck. This one seems to do very well, but after the next cold start, pineapple. Why is there a pineapple? Pineapple, eh? Alrighty then. Gonna have any pineapple trees here? I'd like to know where that pineapple came from. Anyways, I'll update here at the end of the video, so stay tuned. Glow plugs ain't working. Something's not going on here. Something right. Something in the key or something, I don't know. Really, what I'll do for key. Oh boy. What's up, guys? It's just an update on what has been going on the last 10 days. No, not a lot's really went on. Just been feeding cows and that's about it. What's went on this week is I've had a couple of cows have abortions. They aborted their calves last week, so that happened, and had to do some doctoring on some cows. And I had one I had to get in the barn and give her a big dose of penicillin, because when she throat her calf, her afterbirth and stuff, she really didn't clean up well, and I was afraid it'd get infected, so I just went ahead and give her a good dose of penicillin and try to get ahead of the game on that with if anything would happen. And it's cold. Finally got the tractor started. It's not as cold as some of you guys that's up north in Michigan and Ontario, Canada, even Pennsylvania and stuff. It's about 12 degrees here, and the wind chill is, I think my phone said -2 or -4, whatever it was. But the story on the tractor, I had to jump start it because wouldn't you know it, I brought it from my house to here so I wouldn't have to drive it back and forth, because it's about a 7-mile trip from my house to the farm here. So I brought it down here so I wouldn't have to travel with it, 15 miles a day roughly. And luck so happened is I get it here, and what happens? The glow plugs quit working. They don't cycle through. I don't know if it's in the wiring or if they look bad or if it's like a relay switch or whatever it is, but now the tractor has no glow plugs, so it wouldn't even try to start yesterday. And it hit just a little bit, but wasn't enough to make it go. And right there is where you hook it up. There's a positive negative terminal there to jump start something from the tractor or jump start the tractor. But it just wasn't, I don't know, the longer you have electricity going, the weaker it gets. Like the longer extension cord, the less juice it gets to it. So what I did, I went to the front, raised the hood as you've seen, and I put it straight to the battery. And about 10 minutes, just the truck sitting here charging the battery, as you've seen, it started with ether, starting fluid. I don't like to use it, but in a pinch, I will use it. It's the first time I ever had to use it on this tractor. So, I don't know. I need to get the glow plugs fixed. I don't know, it's something that I will do. I've never done it before. If I had a garage where I could put it in there and get everything warm, I'd tear into it, but I'm not a big fan of tearing into something out in the open. You just don't know what could happen. In my luck, I'd tear into it and we'd get 2 foot of snow on it. But anyways, I haven't done any footage this week. And the reason being is on Christmas Eve, gracious, on Christmas Eve, my youngest boy had to go in the hospital. He had RSV, still has it. And we spent Christmas Eve to New Year's Eve, which was yesterday because today's the 1st of January. So it just, you know, I just didn't feel up to filming anything. I just more or less wanted to get my chores done and get back to the hospital. And just, you know, I don't know, I just didn't want to do any filming because I didn't feel like it. Just didn't have the gumption to. So that's what's been going on, and he is better. Let's just hope he don't relapse or anything. So, but anyways, thanks for watching. I think I covered everything for the last 7, 8, 10 days. It's supposed to get even more cold around Friday. It's supposed to go like in the single digits during the day, and I don't know, it'll probably be like -20 wind chill. It just depends on how hard the wind blows and stuff. But anyways, thanks for watching. There's no snow down here. And just so happened I had a roll of hay where that cow's standing that I could roll out to them last night, so they had something to eat last night. So I guess I'll wrap it up here. So thanks for watching. Comment if you'd like, subscribe if you haven't, and until next time, later, and Happy New Year's.